see what to put in there. Extra.
Good morning. I haven't vlogged all week. I've been working. But today's my last day of work, so I thought let me pick the camera up and do some things. Y'all do something high, see y'all. What's today? Friday, December 9th. And just got in from work. I'm so freaking tired. I just bought some breakfast because I'm starving. I said let me show y'all what I'm about to eat for breakfast. Let me share with y'all my good up breakfast. I went to my Jamaican restaurant and got me a nice little breakfast. Since today is my last working day, that's what I'm eating today. Some ackee and saltfish and dumpling. So yeah, this is what I'm about to eat. Nice. Got how much oil is in this thing? I have to pour out all that right now. Like, so I'm about to taste some of this ackee. Okay, I never had ackee. It's just, I don't know how to describe it. Oh, yeah, that's a big piece too. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. I freaking love these vase. Like, I'm gonna link them in the description below because y'all gotta get these. These are so cute. I just love how it looks so elegant. It's my little starter set for now. I have to add a few little things on here, but you know, I have to put my mama on here too. But yeah, I love these. I just love it. The pampas grass is really messy. I'm gonna have to buy a vacuum because I know it's so messy, but this is what y'all just saw me do, and yeah, tell me what y'all think about it. Like I said, I will link the vase in the description below. And there was so many choices. It was so hard for me to choose, but I'm glad I chose these.
2 weeks later.
Gwaan people, welcome back to my channel. It's officially Christmas Eve, and so yeah, I'm about to go do my nails. Hopefully no summer is not packed, so if it's packed, I'm not doing no nails. It is what it is. So I'm just gonna go get my nails done, and then I'm going to my dad's house after. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Every other clip you will see, I will be at my dad's house. So yeah, laters. Different location now. I'm at my dad's house. It's Christmas morning. I just got here like half an hour ago. It's literally 3:05 in the morning. So yeah, everybody's asleep. Cut the nails. So I did the polka dot, plain, snowflake, glitter red, and then some hearts on it. And then this hand is kind of sort of different, just a tad bit. I love it. Yeah, I just didn't want all red nails. Like, red is not my color. Yo, I was trying to come here earlier. So after I got done with my nails, I was trying to come over here. Like, I was really trying to come ASAP. That was around 5 o'clock. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna just go because I ain't got nothing else to do. When I checked the lifts and the Uber prices, baby, them shit saying 78, 84, 84, 92. I'm like, I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. Like, what? Queens is right there. I'm like, no, I'll wait. That's rush hour. I'll just wait. I'll wait it out. I was watching it when I got back home. I fell asleep. It's like me and my dad was playing phone tag because when I text him, I think he calls me, I'm sleeping, and when I woke up and text him, he was busy or whatever, like, that he called me again, I was sleeping. He was playing phone tag. So yeah, I just got here 3 o'clock in the morning. So in the morning, next clip we're gonna see, most likely either we are making breakfast or opening gifts. I don't know what time we're gonna open gifts. I'm mad because I don't have everybody's gift with me. I ordered some online and yeah, they didn't come on time. So everybody gift is not with me. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Look at my eyes. My eyes are so tired. I see my aunt make some cakes. I would tell people to order some because it's in different containers. I can't wait to have a slice. I'm gonna include the clips in here so y'all can see. Even though y'all didn't see the process of making it, but the result is always bomb. My auntie cakes is top tier, okay? About to go wrap some gifts or bag or package or whatever could fit in whatever. And yeah, see you in the morning.
Few moments later.
Rum in here.
That's it?
Yes. Yes.
Alright. Tiny bag. See what you put in there. Extra.
It's Christmas morning. We about to open gifts now, so yeah, that's what we're doing. Merry Christmas, everybody.
All right, people. Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Happy Hanukkah. Rich, somebody be there in there. Oh, soccer ball.
How the move? Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that is so nice.
Kick it, huh? Kick it.
Yeah. Look what we making. More ice cream. Look how creamy it is.
Jenny, you want to pass me a big something there on this? I got this look like you now got one of my stuff.
Yes. So
A big shine pan. See, look at that texture.
Oh
Beautiful.
my God, look at this.
It's a beautiful texture. Oh. That's like what they sell on the Mr. Frosty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a frosty. I thought it was the frosty. the Jamaican version.
Yeah.
I thought it was the Jamaican version, Mr.
This is Jack Frosty.
Jack Frosty. Not Jack Frosty.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Want a taste? Now?
Sure. We're gonna taste it. How it tastes?
Maybe one more, but tell me.
Yeah.
One more?
Yeah. I taste the what's that, hazelnut?
Yeah, it's not. You
I
taste
taste
it in there,
hazelnut,
right? That's it.
No rum, you would add the rum.
Gonna add the rum on the. Pass the rum back over there,
Oh,
for me.
oh my God, this looks so smooth.
So smooth and nice. That's updated.
Updated, yeah. Tell me.
So you just gotta cream it. Once it's heavy cream, it might take long.
Yeah.
Depends on what.
Man,
but
you rum it low.
I got rum. Keep going until it become
Why you ain't give me
frosty.
You could have gave me a bottle for Christmas. That would be
Frosty before you start.
Just add the...
So don't take it out because it's soft. It will become thick. That's how to get creamy.
Yeah, baby.
Keep running. Of course, the Ray and Nev you have to go in there to make it
Of course.
flavor.
Of course, it wouldn't be right if it's not in there.
So 2 cup. The Ray and Nev.
Put 2 parts in there.
Yeah, get me a milk up here, please, Johnny. Please.
Another milk. Get enough.
Up there?
You can't reach
Close
it?
enough to reach it.
Yeah.
You know you're looking at me. You see how short I am?
So the grape nut is in there now. You see how creamy that is? Nice.
And how it smells.
And smell nice. You see that rum smell? So I'm gonna put some more milk in here for sweet.
Yes.
So the key is the milk. Yeah, it's creamy.
As much as you need.
Look at that. Look at that smooth texture. People, this is what you need to get. When you get this texture, you're good. You have made your best batch of ice cream, okay? And again, once more, thanks to the Rose from Florida. Jamaicans from Florida, the Rose, okay?
On, so we put y'all on.
Yeah, they put me on to this, and I'll be doing this.
Yes.
And I'm making it popping.
Look at that. I know that's about to come out.
Yeah, so
That's one container.
that's one container right here.
Container.
You gotta not waste it and get all of the sides.
Everything must need to go in there.
Yeah. All of that.
Fuck.
Matter of fact, I don't even think you got enough, bro.
Get on rich.
I need like 2 cups of that. That's gonna get me lit.
Look at this, a spatula that felt me.
Yeah. A spatula. We got our 2.
Wow, this is so smooth. This is
2
nice.
jars of 2 containers of ice cream.
With one and a half quarts of heavy cream.
Heavy cream.
Yeah.
1.5 quarts of heavy cream, and that's 2 cans of condensed milk, right?
Yeah, 2 condensed milk.
Yeah, so if you make it more, obviously you need more ingredients.
I normally do 1 quart, but this time I did because it's the holiday.
Yeah. You know you need more than one.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Yes, baby. So this is it. And of course the results. How long are we gonna? How long
At least 8 hours in the fridge.
Alright, so we're about to count. What time is it now? What time is it now?
It is so smooth and nice.
Oh my god.
This is the best one.
This is the best one. Oh, right. Oh my gosh, you're gonna miss out.
This is nice.
Stop wasting the stuff, bro.
What's wrong with it now?
That could do that summertime actually.
Yeah, we can
Summertime I could sell that.
Yeah, so update them on there.
Yeah, so
Update them with them.
I'm gonna eat this with the chocolate cake.
I'm gonna eat that with the rum cake. I'm gonna see what
leave
with
it
the rum
there.
cake.
You can get it at home. Leave it.
Yeah, so we seal it with the saran
Yeah,
wrap.
what? When I go back to the face, I'll try to get another one.
Cover
We'll
on.
leave it on for 8 hours, at least 8
Nobody's
hours.
gonna eat it. Yeah, they're gonna
And
eat it.
we will see how beautiful
I
it
eat it.
comes out.
You know.
So it's almost time for dinner. Oxtail right there, rice and peas right there. We're almost done cooking. I mean, well, we don't cook. So it's almost time to eat. I'll leave my belly empty for today. Is that and more?
Me not feel said that grandma there.
Don't shut up.
But yeah, the problem is that.
She was telling me, you know, her plans and Christmas, but
She included.
she was telling me her plans, like, she was like, no.
I just thought she was gonna go somewhere else.
Don't go.
You didn't say that?
No.
Oh, boy.
But guess what happened? Huh? She's saying that you didn't say you want company to go to
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Yeah, I'm not trying that.
And they all double back.
Then they all-
They talk about the shit, yes! I'm like, yo, look at that.
But it's
Look at that.
And I was like, you a
But
beat.
do you
Like, I
all
can't
really
stand
realize
this
that the
shit.
Jewish really run America?
Oh, this look nice.
Yes. Look at this. It's after 8 hours. It's like 10 o'clock now, right?
It don't finish yet.
Doesn't look hard.
Yeah, it's nighttime. It's nice to eat.
It's good though.
Oh my god.
Yo, that shit look bad.
Panda ice cream.
I'll be there for you.
Yo. See, after what time is it? What time is it?
I'm gonna set my alarm just for this ice.
What time is it, Janae?
9:55.
9:50.
Give me 2 hours.
9:55.
Several hours later.
Exactly.
Yeah, like, you feel me?
It's an old school way. Drinking hot chocolate. Cheers. See the steam? Hot. I want the marshmallows to melt. Hot chocolate while we watch a movie.
Holy shit.
That shit was beat the whole show. That shit was beat the whole show.
For real. I'm not
Like the hot sauce was coming
I
out.
love a natural beat, yo. They ate that.
The next day.
I'm about to do a taste test now with our black Jamaican cake, black rum cake. I'm doing it for Instagram too, so yeah. With the cake and ice cream and see the combination, like how it tastes together. This combo is bomb because both of them have rum in there. Like, this is a win-win. Look at that, anyways.